Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be going over how to create engaging video content with Pictory. So let's get started. To unlock the art of crafting captivating videos with Pictory and elevate your content and engage your audience like never before, remember, capturing your viewers' attention is paramount. Each video you create should be a captivating masterpiece. Let Pictory's AI be your guide. Follow these tips to create professional videos that stand out. Use your captions with highlighted text to maintain viewer interest. Change up background footage to align with your narrative, enhancing engagement. Craft dynamic intros and outros that leave a lasting impression. Stay relevant by crafting video responses to trending articles, blogs, and content. Achieve personalization and authenticity with Pictory AI. Feature your logo, personalize backgrounds, and style your videos to match your brand. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.